Friends and learners, welcome back to another video lecture on the topic technologies for media mix. In the previous video, we had extensively discussed about the concept of media mix, where we have seen that when a teacher teaches using technologies, there is always a possibility to combine different technologies. So, when a teacher uses different technologies, different media, then we call it as media mix. So, it can be the combining of different technologies, digital devices, or it can be the mixing of different application softwares. So, you are absolutely free that you can always combine different media, different technologies, which would help you to make your teaching learning processes very engaging and interactive. As I said, there are various technologies, various application softwares which we can combine. So, in this video lecture, I am selecting one of the popular used technologies, which is the presentation slides, and we will see how different media are combined or mixed when we make a presentation slide or PowerPoint presentation. You are very much aware that, and I am also sure, the softwares like Microsoft, PowerPoint, Google Slides, LibreOffice, all these softwares are used for making the presentation slides. So, when we prepare presentation slides, many a times we have seen that only texts are available or texts are placed in the presentation slides. So, it is not only the text we can include pictures, videos, online videos, hyperlinking we can do. So, many media, many technologies can be combined in a single PowerPoint presentation. So, we are going to see that how it is done in Microsoft PowerPoint. This facility is also equally available in other application softwares like Google Slides, then LibreOffice and all. So, we will see how it is done, how we are going to insert images, videos, etc. in the PowerPoint. So, friends, as I said, we are going to see how different media elements are inserted or included in the presentation slide. So, for that I have a PowerPoint presentation here, and I am aware that you are aware about all these tabs: file, home, insert, design, transition, animations, etc. So, this is one of the PowerPoint presentation, and we are going to see how different media elements are included in this PowerPoint presentation. So, this is the first slide. The title of this slide is Technologies for Media Mix. Then, to insert a new slide, I will go to Home. I will click on New Slide. I will select any of these templates, ready-made templates. Say for example, I am clicking on this title and content template. So, I will click on that. So, you can see one new slide is inserted here. I will delete this one. So, we have two new slides here. This is the second slide. So, this slide is talking about something then, and then how we are going to insert the different media elements in this slide. So, by default, when you are clicking on this slide, you can see below to this there is something like click to add the text. Then if you hover your mouse, you can see something like insert a table. You hover your mouse here, insert chart, insert a smart art graphic, pictures, and or insert video. So let us see how it is done. So if I want to insert, this will be the title here. Click to add title. We have to give the title here. Then we are going to add some table here. So for that I'll just click on that. So this kind of a message window appears. So they are asking number of columns and number of rows. Say for example, I am putting it as 5 and 2, then click on OK. So if you do that, you will get a table here. So this is how table is inserted. Now you can make all the changes on the table by selecting this table. This is selected. See the different kinds of coloring patterns. You can see shading. You can do all those are possible. I am again going to insert one more slide. The same template. I am going to insert a chart. For that I'll click on this. So the different chart templates will be appearing. So you have to see which kind of a chart you require. Say for example pie chart, I'll click on pie chart. I'll select the different options available here. Say for example, if this is the model which I require, 3D pie, I will select that. I'll click on OK. So you can see now this chart appearing here, pie chart. So you can see the chart appearing here. Now you have to insert all the values here. Then this is done. So this is how the chart is inserted. Again, I am going to take a new slide, title and content. I am going to click on now smart art graphic. So different smart art graphics are available. If you want to show the process, then you can select any of this. If you want to show the hierarchy, this can be selected. So there are many default smart art graphic options available. So you select which is required. Say for example hierarchy, I am selecting this. I'll click on OK. So you can see this. So here you have to insert the text now. So this is how smart art graphic is inserted. Again, I am going to select another slide. Now going to see pictures. So to insert pictures, we have another option also. This is also one of the options. I'll click on pictures. Then they will ask where the picture is saved. So you have to select the picture from either of these saved places. From either of these places, then you click on insert. Then that picture will be inserted. Say for example, I am clicking on this, clicking on insert. So that picture will be inserted here. So this is how the picture is inserted. Now again I am going to insert a new slide. Online pictures. If you want to get something from the online, click on this. So it will ask you to the picture searching websites like Bing image search. You can see you can type here. Then say for example I am searching something for tea pack. Say for example I'll search. So I'll get this many pictures. I'll click on this picture. I'll click on insert. So if the picture is not readily available, you can go to the internet from the PowerPoint presentation and that can be inserted. So this is how pictures are inserted from the website or internet. Now again I am going to insert one more slide. We will see the last option. This is for inserting video. I'll click on that. Again this will ask you for the web address from where it has to be taken. This can be from your computer or YouTube or a couple of other places are there. So say for example I am taking something from the YouTube feedback. Again this is a framework which is helping the teachers to integrate technology. So I'll type the keyword. I'll click on search. So you can see the YouTube videos coming out. So friends, since there is an issue with the internet, this is not getting loaded. So the videos will be appearing here. You can select the video which is required for your presentation. So this is how it is done, online videos. So this is one of the ways. Let us also see some other options available. See, say for example, I am choosing this particular template to content. Again, all those options are available here too when you are making a comparison, to content comparison. Now again, let me insert another template. Say for example, this is a blank template. I am clicking on that blank template. Now in this blank template, I want to insert like pictures, videos, etc. Then let us see how it is done. So this is the blank template. After selecting this blank template, this is selected now. I'll click on insert. Say table is here. We have seen already how it is done. Pictures we have seen. On online pictures, this also we have seen. If you want to take the screenshot of your system, then you can click on this. This we will see. I'll just click on take a screenshot. You click on screen clipping. So this is we require the screenshot of this screen. So for that, you can see a plus sign here. I'll just select the area which is required for me. Say for example, if I want only this much portion, I'll just select this. So that will be inserted. So once you select that, that will be automatically inserted, will get inserted in your PowerPoint presentation. So this is done, friends. Now again, I'll go take another blank template. We are in this, and I'll click on insert. Photo album, you can many photos you can insert. If you want to insert some shapes, I'll click on shapes. So see what all shapes are there in this. If you want to have this shape, you select that, then a plus sign will be appearing, then you can start drawing. So this is how the shapes are inserted. That is done. I'll again come to the blank template. I'll click on that. Now I'll click on insert. Now let us see smart art we have seen, charts we have seen, text box. If you want to give a new text box, that is also possible. We will click this. You can see a text box now appearing. So we will start typing here then. So this is also possible. Technologies for media mix. Now you can take it wherever it is required. So this is how text box is inserted. Now again, I'll add a new template slide. I'll click on smart insert. I'll click on insert. Then see if you want to have some word art. This is also possible. Say for example, I am selecting any of this. So we have to then type the text here. Technologies for media mix. So this is how the word art is prepared. So you don't have to beautify that automatically. Many ready-made templates are available. You can select any of those. Now I'll again insert a blank slide. I'll click on insert, date and time, slide number, object. If you want any mathematical equations, that is also possible. You have to click on these. Say for example, if this is required, you can directly get from that equations. You have all other mathematical symbols here. So that is also possible. Again, I am selecting a new slide, blank slide. I'll click on insert. Video again possible. See online video on my PC. We have already seen how online videos are inserted in the PowerPoint presentation. If you want to include any audio element, this is also possible, which is already there in your laptop or desktop, that can be inserted, or otherwise you have to click on record audio. So this kind of a dialog box will appear. Now you have to give the name, then you can start recording. So it's not necessary that you should have a ready-made pre-recorded sound. This can be done when you are preparing your PowerPoint presentation. Just cancelling. I am inserting a new slide again. Again, click on insert. If you want to give the screen recording, that is also possible. Say for example, you are showing your students how to insert media elements in PowerPoint presentation. For that, usually we make use of any screen recording softwares. But this is also possible with the help of presentation slide or PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint. Let us see how it is done. I'll click on screen recording. See, when you click on that screen recording, this kind of a dialog box will appear. So we have to select the area. Say for example, this much area we are going to record. I will select that. Whether you want audio, record pointer, all those has to be done. Then you can click on record. When you click on record, the recording will work, recording will start. Once it is done, you have to click on this to stop the recording. So this is how the screen recording video is inserted in your PowerPoint presentation. So I am just coming back to the PowerPoint. So friends, we have seen how media elements, various media elements are inserted or included in the PowerPoint presentation. So friends, in this video we have demonstrated how different media can be combined in a presentation slide or presentation software. I hope you have understood the concept that we have discussed. So you can also think of when you are preparing a presentation, including different media elements to your PowerPoint, so that this will be more meaningful. This will make your classroom teaching more engaging and presentation more beautiful. Thank you for listening this lecture.